guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to achieve this very beautiful affordable bridal hairstyle. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to achieve this very beautiful bridal hairstyle. I actually saw the picture on Google and since then I've always wanted to try this hairstyle because like this is so affordable. Like this is below $5. It's like £4. So if you're on a budget and you want to do a very beautiful unique looking bridal hairstyle, this definitely is the way to go. And it's a protective style. It doesn't have to be a bridal style as well. It's a protective style you can do and keep for at least 2 weeks, you know. This is a very beautiful style, very affordable. It's not heavy. It's as if I have nothing on my hair. I absolutely love the way it turned out. And I hope you guys love it as I love it because I really love this hairstyle. I only use one pack. I didn't even finish the one pack. Just few strands is what I use from the one pack. If you want yours to be smaller, you know, more portable, you can just use less extension. But if you want yours to be fuller, you know, you can use the whole one pack. But I barely use one pack to achieve the style. And it's so affordable. And you can use it for a bridal style or a protective style. What else do you want? Like, I absolutely love it. And I hope you guys love it too. And if you learned something from this video, please support me by liking, subscribing, and also share. Share with your friends and family. And I will see you guys very, very soon. Now, let's just get into the tutorial. Hi guys. So guys, I'll be starting on a moisturized hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair. Afterwards, I'm gonna, you know, split my hair. And then I'm gonna divide the middle into two. And then right here, I'm gonna go ahead and do like big cornrows on the hair in the middle and also at the back. After that, I'm just gonna crochet the hair out into the cornrows. Then I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the cornrows in front. I believe in total I ended up doing like 6 cornrows on each side. So guys, this is the hair I'll be using. It's called the KINKI bulk hair, and it's for, I think I bought it $3.99 or $4.99. I'm gonna get the hair and I'm gonna split it into 2 equal half. And then I'm gonna start the crochet at the back. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start the crochet in front. So now I'm done with the crochet. I'm gonna start shaping the hair. So I'm gonna start trimming the one at the back, like gently. I don't cut too much, I just trim it. And as I trim it, I try to shape it with my hands. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do for the one in front as well. So for the one in front, I'm gonna comb out the hair a little bit. You guys can see that this bulk hair looks like our natural hair so much. I absolutely love it. So I'll comb it out and then trim it. And yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.
Yeah, and the girls no Gucci, Prada, Louis, SSL, Louis, suit. Came to drip in the bomb me, you came.